Campbell. What a weekend it has been weather-wise. Snow in the mountains, rain in the valley, and sunshine this afternoon.
Yeah, beautiful day to round out the weekend. And, before the last break, you were just talking about how, some parts of the Midwest going down to some of the snowiest and some of the coldest winters ever. Well, here in Tucson, our winter is going to go down as the warmest and one of the driest. Now, of course, we did have a little taste of winter yesterday, early this morning. This is a time lapse up in the mountains there. You see Summer Haven in the background. Mount Lemmon did wake up to a few inches of snow, but this was at about 7 a.m. Watch as I put this into motion. The sun comes up, and almost as soon as as fast as that snow fell, it melted away today. You see a lot of brown left over here late this evening as that snow melted away pretty quick. Now, winter 2013-2014 is in the books in terms of meteorological sense. Meteorological winter is considered December, January, and February. Now, when you look at those past 3 months, it is the warmest winter on record. That average temperature about 57 degrees here in Tucson. That's nearly 4 above average, and we had less than an inch of rain, about 2 inches below average, so that'll go down as the 15th driest, dating all the way back to 1895, and we actually only had 2 morning lows at freezing or less. Normally we see about 11 days below freezing here in Tucson, but you know what, we had a little taste of winter yesterday. Hopefully you enjoyed it, because our warm-up starts as soon as tomorrow. We're right back up to those average temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s across Arizona. Today we topped out at 65 here in Tucson, about 6 degrees below average, well off that record, thankfully, of 91, which was set just a few years ago in 2009. Looking out right now, some high clouds still dealing with today here in southern Arizona, but 64 for us. That dew point still holding on up there, but we will see this number drop over the next couple of days as we continue to dry out and warm up. Those winds much more manageable today, about 5 to 15 miles an hour, and the rest of the metro looks like this: low to mid 60s for the east siders there, 62, 66 on the west side, 60 currently in Oro Valley, and the rest of southern Arizona looking like this: mid to upper 50s still across Cochise County, 57 for the higher elevations of Bisbee. We say good evening to you, and here's a look at that satellite and radar. Still some high clouds spilling over into southern Arizona today. We'll be dealing with this, it looks like, for the next couple of days, but our storm system now is pushing off into the Midwest, causing all sorts of problems. Look at this nasty mix of rain and snow stretching from Texas all the way over to the Tennessee and Ohio valleys. A big chunk of the Midwest underneath either winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings over the next 24 to 48 hours. And of course, that comes with some bitter cold, single-digit highs today from Omaha to the Twin Cities. And look, you can see right where that cold front is, 22 in Oklahoma City today, but it was 71 just a few hundred miles away there in Dallas. It's 71. So we'll take you through the next couple of days with your futurecast. Temperature slowly rising here in Arizona, and just some off and on high clouds. I think we're done with the rain for now. It looks like we'll have a pretty dry forecast going forward, and you'll see that with your 7-day forecast here in just a bit. But here's where we're heading to tonight. Pretty cool, and across the Sulphur Springs Valley should be just above the freezing mark from Wilcox down to Douglas. Should be mid-40s here in Tucson tonight. And tomorrow, daytime highs, low 70s. They're back, but that's right where we should be for this time of year, so not all too bad. 69 Nogales, 64 in Bisbee. And here we go, guys. Your next 7 days, 70s back tomorrow, 80s back as soon as Wednesday or Thursday. So hopefully you enjoyed this little cool down we had, because yeah, by this week it's pretty much all gone. We're going to jumping up about 20 degrees over the next few days.
Look at that. Bye-bye.
Yep.
All right, turning now to sports. The Wildcats hoping for a big win on senior night.